Where's the water? Where's the water? Can I get a beer? Anyone? Beer or brat? Can I get one? Hey, come a little bit closer. That's better. Okay, so why are we here? We are here, first off, we're at Nixon Park in Heartland. Wanted to let you guys know that the splash pad and the beer garden open up next weekend, Memorial Day weekend. It's something that is really cool. It's something that's really fun. I'm really happy they're bringing the beer garden back. It was something that was really awesome for the community, and the splash pad is just something that's really fun for kids to go to either during the weekend, during the week. It's just a fun kind of play activity thing. So if you're around over the summer, check both of them out. Really cool places, beautiful park right by the creek here. Have a nice little fountain, and see you guys next week.